I'm Lauren Whitmore, Director of North American Insurance at SS&C. There are a number of issues facing the investment operations of insurance companies these days. First of all, we're in the midst of a very prolonged period of low interest rates. And in response to that, a lot of insurance companies are diversifying into new asset classes. Things like private equities, other partnership structures, bank loans, asset-backed securities, and potentially commercial and residential mortgage loans. As a result of that, there are a number of operational implications and some complexities that these introduce. The first of these is, there are a lot of requirements to gather operational information, to gather data, to make sure that you've got automated workflows to support some of these new asset classes. In addition, a lot of companies don't have either the systems or the expertise in their people to handle the complexities of these asset classes. Another implication, secondly, is that often, in order to get diversification into these new asset classes, what you'll find is they'll engage third-party asset managers that have expertise in those asset classes. So overlaying the complexity that's already there in those asset classes, they then have to integrate with third parties and additional systems of those third parties. In the midst of all this complexity, what you're also finding is an increased appetite for additional reporting as well as increased transparency. First of all, it's important to understand that SS&C has a long history of being at the forefront both of software development and software-enabled services. So we were well positioned to respond to a number of these issues. Earlier this year, we released the SS&C Global Gateway, which is a web-based platform that delivers sophisticated investment accounting, tax reporting, performance measurement and attribution, compliance and risk management over a secure, mobile-enabled platform. It allows our clients to enjoy best-of-breed capabilities offered in a consistent, easy-to-use, web-based environment. And it kind of avoids the trade-off of having to have multiple systems that are each very specialized and the burden of integrating them, or having one consistent platform that's not very deep, sort of jack of all trades, master of none. What SS&C has done is we've leveraged some really sophisticated and specialized tools and allowed that to be delivered in a consistent, easy-to-use platform that allows users to get the information they need that is relevant to their roles, and again, not have to worry about integration or looking at information that they may not care about. It's a very tailored and customized environment so that each firm and each user within that firm is able to consume the information in a way that they want and at the time that they want. There has sometimes been a reluctance to adopt the SaaS model for a few reasons. First of all, there's often a fear that by either outsourcing technology or related services, you give up control, you lose transparency, or perhaps the information isn't delivered on a timely basis. These are all legitimate concerns. In order to address these concerns, certainly speaking for SS&C, we've developed the SS&C Global Gateway platform to make sure that we don't have our clients forced to make these trade-offs. So for example, we ensure that when you're adopting our platform, it's not a cookie-cutter, one-size-fits-all solution. You're able to look at your portfolios classified in a way that you want, using the price sources you want, adopting the accounting policies and interpretations that you choose. You're also able to get daily valued portfolios that are available sort of on your desktop every single morning with current prices, with all the amortization run, all of the detailed accounting processing is already done and at your fingertips every single day. The other concern that we've really tried hard to address is this notion of making sure that there's still transparency, even though you've given control for some of your services to a third party. And we provide full transparency. So for example, if you've asked us to do the reconciliation process for you, we provide a window into our operating environment so you can see exactly how we're doing, where we're at, what's not reconciled, and how long it's been in that state. Similarly, we can give you the exact status of the pricing. You'll know what prices are missing, where they came from, and so on. So we think that makes our clients really comfortable and sort of avoids the trade-offs that have prevented the adoption of this model in the past.